Treasury of Muslim names. Viewer, this is my second video. You will find plenty of male names that are interspersed with notes, people or an incident in their lives or hadith they narrated. This is the second volume of names I have compiled. Now comes to the names. 1. Azraq. Blue. Name of a companion of the Prophet, Azraq bin Qais. 2. On. To help, assist. Name of a companion of the Prophet, On bin Abdullah. 3. Asl. Having bluish black eyes. Asl bin Hatim was a narrator of hadith. 4. Ammar. One who inhabits a place. A. 5. Ans. Intimat. A personal servant of the Holy Prophet, Ans bin Malik. 6. Bakir. Scholar, opulent, fierce. Imam Abu Jafar was given this title. 7. Basim. Smiling, happy. 8. Danyal. Name of a prophet, Bakt Nasr had put Daniel with 2 hungry lions in a pit, but they didn't harm him in the least. 9. Dark. One who laughs much. Several men had this name, notable among them Dark bin Feruz Dailami, Dark bin Sufyan. 10. Dabud. Name of a prophet who is mentioned in the Quran. 11. Qabil. Name of one of the sons of Sayyidina Adam. 12. Hanzala. This was the name of bin Abu Amir Ansari, a companion of the Prophet. 13. Harit. Plowman, tiller, cultivator. A companion of the Prophet. 14. Hayyan. Alive. A narrator of hadith. 15. Humayun. Blessed, sacred, royal. A Mughal king of India had this name. 16. Tazefe. Curtailing. A distinguished companion of the Prophet was so named. 17. Jubaya. Compelled. A distinguished companion of the Prophet was so named. 18. Junayad. Unity, unit of army. A famous pious man named Junayad Baghdadi. 19. Mashhood. Clear, manifest, witnessed. 20. Nabil. Noble, exalted. A scholar from Makkah and an authority for legal and historical tradition. 21. Sarmad. Everlasting. 22. Shahir. Well known. 23. Sharik. Radiant, bright. Ibn Shihab, a Tabi, was known by this name. 24. Shihab. Star. 25. Shuja. Brave, bold, courageous. A narrator of hadith. 26. Subair. Handsome, comely. A narrator of hadith. 27. Suhaib. Reddish or sandy. A narrator of hadith. 28. Suhail. Canopus, a star. A companion of the Prophet, Suhail bin Sannan. 29. Taha. Name of the Surah of the Quran. 30. Talha. Companion of the Prophet. Talha bin Ubaidullah. 31. Ubaid. Worshipper. A companion of the Prophet. Ubaid ibn Rifa. 32. Ubaidullah. Worshipper of Allah. A companion of the Prophet. Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah. 33. Ukasha. Web, spider web. A companion of the Prophet. Ukasha bin Mohsin. 34. Umayya. Presidents, populace. A narrator of hadith. Umayya bin Sa'id and Nakhai. 35. Anais. Friendly. A companion of the Prophet, Anais bin Yahya al-Aslam. 36. Osama. A companion of the Prophet. Osama bin Zaid. 37. Uwais. A companion of the Prophet. Uwais Karni. 38. Uzayr. A prophet of Allah, he was the one whom Allah caused to die and raised him after 100 years. 39. Walid. Newborn. A reliable scholar of hadith, Walid bin Muslim al-Dismashqi. 40. Wasi. Guardian, curator, custodian, trustee. 41. Wasif. One who describes or depicts. 42. Yazir. Easy. A companion of the Prophet Yazir bin Amir. 43. Yabar. Helping. 44. Zain. Beautiful, handsome. Zain al-Abidin Ali bin Hussein. 45. Zaka. Intelligence. 46. Zubayr. Generosity. A companion of the Prophet Zubayr bin al-Awan. 47. Abu Huraira. A companion of the Prophet and a narrator of hadith. 48. Abu Za. A companion of the Prophet, Abu Za Ghifari. 49. Abu Bakr. A companion of the Prophet, Abu Bakr Siddiq. 50. Qatada. A companion of the Prophet, Qatada bin an-Numan Ansari. 51. Abdul Basit. Slave of an Laja. 52. Abdul Hanan. Slave of the merciful forgiving. 53. Abdul Mannan. Slave of the benefactor. 54. Dawood. Name of a prophet, father of Sayyidina Sulaiman. 55. Abdul Hasib. Slave of the reckoner. 56. Abdul Muid. Slave of the restorer, the reproducer. 57. Abdul Muiz. Slave of the honor, the exalter. 58. Abdul Rahman. Slave of the merciful. 59. Abdullah. Slave of Allah. 60. Abdul Samad. Slave of the eternal, the independent. 61. Ayan. Inclined towards God. 62. Rohan. One who is as pure as a spirit. 63. Aban. A son of Sayyidina Uthman, a poet of Harun Rashid. 64. Ashir. Living. 65. Hashir. One who assembles. 66. Tibban. Fleshy. A scholar of hadith had this name. 67. Adnan. A tribal ancestor of the Quraysh, the Prophet was from this tribe. 68. Aslan. Lion. 69. Asad. Lion. 70. Asad. More happy, more lucky. 71. Fakir. Excellent, requisite, splendid. 72. Faraz. Ascent, height. 73. Farhan. Glad, happy, joyful. 74. Farrukh. Glad, happy, suspicious. 75. Furqan. A criterion to distinguish truth from falsehood. There is a surah in the Quran with this name. 76. Fuwad. Heart. This word has appeared in the Quran 5 times. Surah Al-Isra, verse 36. 77. Ghazlan. Warrior. A companion of the Prophet had this name. 78. Ghufran. Forgiving, to conceal. Names include Ghufran ul Haq. 79. Itban. Censured, blamed. A companion of the Prophet who participated in the Battle of Badr. 80. Kazim. One who restrains one's anger. The Quran refers to such people who restrains their anger. 81. Luqman. Name of a well-known sage and philosopher. He is mentioned in the Quran. 82. Murdad thief. One who is clocked. Title of the Prophet in the Quran. 83. Mujtaba. The chosen one. Title of the Prophet. 84. Munib. One who turns in repentance. 85. Murtada. The chosen one. Title of Sayyidina Ali. 86. Mustafa. The chosen one. Title of the Prophet. 87. Numan. Blood. A companion of the Prophet. Numan ibn Muqarran. 88. Rizwan. Approval. Name of the gatekeeper angel of paradise. 89. Shahir. Well known. 90. Shammaz. A companion of the Prophet who was martyred at Badr. 91. Shuaib. Name of a prophet who was sent by Allah to the people of Madyan. 92. Zuhair. A front-rank companion of the Prophet, he fought in the Battle of Badr. 93. Shukran. Blondness, fair. A freed slave of the Prophet. He fought in the Battle of Badr. 94. Rafi. A companion of the Prophet, Rafi bin al-Malik. He fought in the Battle of Badr. 95. Dayan. A mighty ruler. 96. Hadi. Director, guide. An Abbasid Khalifa had this name. 97. Ibrahim. This was the name of a well-known prophet who with his son Ismail built the Kaaba. 98. Isa. This was the name of a prophet, son of Sayyida Maryam. 99. Jahangir. A Mughal emperor had this name. 100. Yafe. A narrator of Hadith, Yafe bin Amir.